Hello scholars, welcome back to our subject science. Scholars, today we are going to start the new chapter number 14, natural disasters. Yes, so are you ready to learn? Let's start. Scholars, these two are beautiful pictures of nature. And in vacation, we like to go to such places. Is it? We like to go near beaches or on mountains. Fine. So that we can rejuvenate from the tiring and the busy city life. We just like to go to the natural surrounding. Yes. So nature is very beautiful, is it? Yes, and these two pictures we can see lakes are there, greenery everywhere, and in the second, oceans are there. So it's very beautiful. But do you know what happens sometimes? Here it is. Yes, there are cyclones, flood, volcanoes. Yes. So earlier, I showed you two beautiful natural pictures, is it? And now these two are also the natural pictures. So, cyclone, flood, volcano, what are these? So, let's see. Scholars, as you have seen in first two slides, many changes occur in nature from time to time. These changes may be in form of rains, storms, earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. So, a certain accident, natural or man-made, that causes great damage or loss of life is called disaster. So, the pictures that we seen, okay, in the previous slide, they are called as the disasters. So what is a disaster? Disaster is a sudden accident, natural or man-made, that causes great damage or loss of life. Now these disasters, they can occur suddenly or may develop over a period of time. Scholars, disasters, they are either natural or man-made. So, in this topic, we are going to study about some natural disasters. So, what are natural disasters? Natural disasters are extreme forces of nature that results in death and destruction of lives of people and property. And what are the examples? Cyclones, floods, droughts, forest fire, landslides, tsunamis, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions are the examples of the natural disasters. Yes. So, these natural disasters, these are the extreme forces of nature and they result in death and destruction of lives of people and property. So let's see about the first natural disaster, floods. You can see in the picture water is everywhere. Yes. So why does flood come? When water level in the body or any area rises above normal, it leads to a condition called floods. Now, what are the reasons for these floods? Uncontrolled rain or excessive melting of snow can cause floods in rivers. So, if just imagine that there is rain continuously for 4 to 5 days, then what will happen? Yes, there will be flood. Sometimes it's not natural reasons. Nowadays, excessive cutting down of trees is also one of the reasons for these floods. What happened? Cutting down of trees in large numbers leads to less water being absorbed by the ground. So this results in excessive water collection and causing floods. So cutting down of trees has resulted in the floods. Why? Because the roots of the trees, they absorb the water, and if there are no roots, no trees, then what happens? Excessive water gets collected and it results in floods. Flood water often kills several people and animals. Yes, and along with that, many waterborne diseases can spread in times of floods. Now let's talk about second natural disaster, and it is tsunami. Scholars, tsunami, it is a Japanese word and its meaning is harbor waves. How to say this word? Even though it starts with T, you know, it is tsunami. Okay, T is silent in this tsunami pronunciation. So, tsunamis, they are sudden, unexpected, very large ocean waves that can cause sudden movement of water. You can see a very large ocean wave in the picture. They are also known as undersea earthquakes. So, tsunamis, okay, they are the sudden, unexpected, very large ocean waves. And due to tsunami, what happened? The whole water, it just comes out. There is a sudden movement of water. So, scholars, this is about these two natural disasters. I hope what is the natural disaster and the two examples which are floods and tsunamis. After watching the video, read page number 145 and 146. In next video, we will learn about some more examples of natural disasters. Till then, goodbye and take care.